Welcome to Zolaxet. Today, we're talking about something every internet user should know: how to stay safe online. Cybersecurity is more important than ever, and just a few small changes can make a big difference. I'll walk you through some essential tips that will help protect your personal information and data. First up, let's talk about two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Adding 2FA to your accounts means that even if someone guesses your password, they'll still need a second code to get in. You can set this up on most accounts under security settings. Often, it involves receiving a code on your phone or using an app like Google Authenticator. This small step makes it much harder for hackers to gain access to your accounts. Avoid using common passwords like 123,456 or password. Instead, create strong, unique passwords for each account. A good rule is to include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Better yet, consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords for you. This way, you don't have to remember all of them, and your accounts remain secure. Public Wi-Fi networks, like those in cafes or airports, are convenient but risky. Hackers can easily intercept data on these networks. If you need to check your bank account or send sensitive emails, avoid public Wi-Fi. Or use a VPN, virtual private network, to encrypt your connection. VPNs are a great way to stay secure on the go. Phishing scams are one of the most common ways people's data gets stolen. These are fake emails or messages that look legitimate but are designed to steal your information. Always double-check the sender's email address and avoid clicking on links in emails unless you're sure they're safe. If an email or message seems suspicious, don't interact with it. Keeping your software up to date is a simple but important step in protecting your devices. Updates often include security patches that protect against the latest threats. Make sure your operating system, apps, and antivirus software are always updated. Setting up automatic updates can help you stay protected without any extra effort. That's all for today's video. Following these tips can make a big difference in keeping your data safe online. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Zolaxet for more tech tips and tricks. Stay safe out there.